Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you are watching my channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video recipes, you get that video notifications. So please don't forget to press the bell. So today I am presenting a classic and very popular Bengali sweet Mishti Doi. Mishti Doi is a fermented sweet yogurt. In Bengali, Mishti means sweet and Doi is curd. I am from Bengal and I feel very overwhelmed to present this recipe to you. So today I will be sharing some tips and tricks with you all in which you will get the thick, creamy layered Mishti Doi every time. So first check the ingredient list and now let's start. So tips 1. Take 1 liter full fat milk. Yes, please take full fat milk only and do not add any water to this. Now take 5 to 6 ladles of milk from this 1 liter milk in a separate bowl. And now tips 2. To this milk mix 1 cup milk powder. The normal regular milk powder which you use for your regular tea or coffee. Now give a good mix to both of this. Now this will give the Mishti Doi more creamy, it will give a rich texture to it. Now mix this mixture to the boiling milk. And now boil this milk very well in low to medium flame. Stir occasionally when the milk is getting heated. And now in Mishti Doi you will see a beautiful brown texture. So now tips 3. Now to bring this brown texture you need to caramelize the sugar and then you need to add that in the boiling milk. So here in a frying pan I have taken half cup sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Now very carefully you need to caramelize the sugar. First 1 minute in high flame and then just lower the flame and you can see the beautiful caramelized sugar. So here one thing, I have added half cup sugar in this as I have also added 1 cup milk powder. So it will balance the sweet taste as the milk powder also contains sweet in it. Now to this caramelized sugar we'll add little boiling milk first as it may get curdle. So slowly mix this. And now once you see it is mixed properly with the caramelized sugar, now pour this mixture to the 1 liter boiling milk. And now continue to shimmer the milk on a low to medium flame. Stir often when the milk is getting shimmered. This continuous shimmering will reduce the milk. Also scrape the dried milk solids from the sides and add to the shimmering milk. The milk has reduced to half of its original volume and you can see the color change in the milk. Now switch off the flame. And now tip 4. To get the silky smooth texture, strain the milk. Nicely strain it so that there should not be any lumps. Now tip 5. To get the thick layer in your Mishti Doi, now follow these steps. The milk is quite hot, so I have taken another bowl and now we'll pour the milk to this vessel from a height. Now repeat this process couple of times. You can see bubbles on top. Now this will create the thick layer on top of your Mishti Doi. And the milk is now mild hot, the lukewarm you can say. Now tip 6. add 200 gram hung curd. Hung curd is nothing but the curd drained of all its water, and you have to take hung curd only, otherwise you will see the water releasing from the top of Mishti Doi. Now give a quick mix to this hung curd. And now pour the lukewarm milk to it. Now tip 7. When you are setting the curd on Mishti Doi, the milk should always be in lukewarm condition. Means mild hot. Now give a quick mix. And now I am setting the Mishti Doi in these earthen pots. When you are pouring the lukewarm milk, again pour it from a height so that the bubbles can form. Remember, this will only create the thick layer in your Mishti Doi. Now covering the small pots with the foil papers. And now keep this in a warm place and cover it with a towel or a blanket. And now tips 8. Now setting time of this Mishti Doi can vary from one city to another city. It may take 10 hours to 24 hours also. For me it took almost 14 hours. Once your Mishti Doi sets, keep it in fridge for 2 to 3 hours. And serve it chill. You can see the texture of my Mishti Doi. Enjoy the thick, cold Mishti Doi in this hot and sultry summer weather. I hope you like my recipe. If you like it, then please like this video, share this video and try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the below comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.